to call Happy Father's Day to all fathers. To her, the name of father is another name for love. A father holds his daughter's hand for a short while, but he holds her heart forever. Every girl may not be a queen to her husband, but she is always a princess to her father. A father is always making his baby into a little woman, and when she is woman, he turns her back again. A daughter needs her dad to be the standard, again she will job all men. No one in this world can love a girl more than her father. A father's smile has been known to light up a child's entire day. My father gave me the greatest gift anyone could give another person. He believed in me. A girl's first true love is her father.